Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the environment is ready. Check your iPhone or Mac version and back up anything critical. Once done, quit the Calculator app and close related widgets or Safari tabs that embed calculators. This prevents state conflicts. If the app already behaves oddly, restart the device to clear temporary glitches. Make sure to note if you use third-party calculator replacements so you can restore preferences later, because we'll remove local data next to force a clean state. Now you clear the app's local data to reset behavior. On iPhone, offload or delete the calculator app in settings or by long pressing the icon. This removes cache state while preserving purchases where applicable. On a Mac, quit calculator and delete preference files in /library/preferences, Apple, calculator. Plist, then relaunch. Once done, reinstall or update the app or update Mac OS to restore the fresh, default calculator. This removes corrupted settings and returns default functions and layout. Finish by launching calculator and verifying core operations, arithmetic, memory keys, and scientific functions if applicable. Once confirmed, reapply any third-party widgets or preferences slowly so you can spot issues. If you rely on old settings, restore them from backup rather than copying unknown corrupted files. Make sure to test after each change. If problems persist despite a clean reinstall and preference reset, contact Apple support or run system diagnostics. They can check for deeper OS-level problems or account-related issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.